Dream meaning, the court's dream is anger at injustice. There is a desire to recover the loss. The dream of becoming a judge in a dream is that there is a desire to judge someone. Freud, the landlord of dream meaning, explained that dream is seen to fulfill the desire. It's a dream I have when I can't stand it, but I can't do anything about it. If you dream of judging another person at a trial, you will be in a state of accumulating considerable anger, so you should consciously relieve stress. The following is an excerpt of the dream item of the judge's trial from the Book of Dream Meaning. It is a symbol of law in the heart, conscience or strong authority and compulsory morals, even if it symbolizes the person who controls you. Dream meaning, a dream of being executed after being sentenced to death by a judge. 1. The arrival of good luck. 2. Get a high-ranking job and collect honor and fame. 3. The illness heals, when the sick person sees it. By being executed, bad luck goes away. If it is just a conviction, it is only self-punishment and does not mean the good luck is shown on the right. Dream meaning, a dream standing in front of a judge. 1. I am doing something wrong with myself, and I am concerned about it. 2. Under the pressure of a person with strong power. Or you will receive it. Dream meaning, a dream of becoming a judge and judging people. 1. There is a person who has strong hostility. 2. A dispute arises. The definitive edition, Dream Meaning Encyclopedia, by Tatsuhiko Fuji, excerpted from Haken. The court's dream is that the unjustified thing is revealed and that he wants to recover his loss. Life is short. I hope you find your desires from your dreams and find out how you can do the life you want to do. This channel gives hints about thinking about your desire and dream interpretation. If you read your wishes from your dreams and fulfill your wishes in reality, you can have a happy life. Psychologist Freud, who published a book called Dream Analysis, said that dreams are something to fulfill a desire. Dreams tell you the desires you are not aware of. Once, the French philosopher Voltaire said, "There is no real satisfaction without a real desire." First, you cannot be happy without knowing your own needs. Dreams carry the message of your desire to be happy. This channel, Dream Means Desire, is a very rare original channel that describes the desires that dreams show. Please subscribe to the channel and check your dreams regularly. Dreams give you hints about your desires, help you understand yourself more, and help you be happy. Now I will explain in detail about the dream you had. The following is an excerpt of the court items from the One Iromancy book. The court dream is that your sins will be judged. The judge in your dreams is yourself. In other words, the dream that the judge is making a decision is self-criticism. A harsh judgment is a sign that you are strict with yourself. Bad luck. A dream being tried in court shows that you are guilty. The dream of complaining in court is a sign of dissatisfaction with society. It is a sign that you are there. Dream Meaning, by Genevieve Serra, excerpted from Jitsugyo no Nihonsha. Dream meaning, judge's dream. The following is an excerpt of a judge's dream from a dictionary of dream meanings. Judges are symbolic beings who judge things right. When it comes to dreams, it implies that you have doubts and guilt about yourself. You may also be dissatisfied with your situation and circumstances. You may be suspicious of your lover's affection, or you may feel guilty about yourself as your affection for your lover is chilling. Judges sometimes come up in dreams in the sense that they want arbitration, such as when the farewell story is awkward. When a judge comes up in a dream, look back on your relationships. This should avoid collisions with those around you. The Meaning of a Dream of Finding Oneself, written by Mari Fujita, published by Satosha. What is the basic meaning of a court dream? The courts that appear in the dream world symbolize the following three things: moral, remorse, authority. The court, which is the place to judge the good and evil of things, is a symbol of human morals such as conscience and common sense. You may be wondering if your actions are correct. You may also regret your mistakes in the past. It seems that remorse such as regret and remorse may be expressed. In addition, courts can symbolize authority. It may imply a strong force that affects your life. Trials and courts in dreams are symbols of justice and conscience. And the dream of becoming a judge implies that you are living innocently by strictly controlling yourself, and the dream of becoming a judge to judge others and the dream of becoming a plaintiff to sue others are around you. It implies that some people are angry or hostile. Also, the dream of becoming a defendant and being tried implies that he is suffering from a guilty conscience, and the dream of defending in court implies that there will be troubles that may cause conflict with others. Dream meaning, dream to listen to the trial. People who want to become lawyers often listen to trials, and it is not uncommon for ordinary people to come to the courts for celebrity trials. If you listen to someone's trial in that way, Your dream is to listen to the advice and opinions of those around you. It means that things go smoothly by listening to the opinions of others and showing them flexibly as needed, rather than just letting them pass through. Dream listening to the trial. A psychological manifestation of trying to incorporate the opinions of others. Also, if there is a scene that impresses you, it may give you the hints you need now. Let's remember it well. However, for those who usually insist on their own opinions, there are cases where it is advised to listen to the opinions of others. Let's judge which one applies to you from your usual situation. For those who have listened to the trial, the experience may just be reflected. Dream meaning, dream of becoming a lawyer and being involved in a trial. If you're a lawyer and involved in a trial, it's a dream meaning that you're trying to solve things or persuade someone by prioritizing theory over emotion. If you become a lawyer and have had a difficult job to win in court, it means that you are more likely to get into unexpected troubles and problems. Be aware that if you stick your neck in a curious manner, you may get injured unexpectedly. A court is a place where people fight. Therefore, in the sense of dreams, it may symbolize the current relationships. In many cases, it is a sign that conflicts and problems will occur, so I would like to be very careful. Also, the court may be trying to look at itself objectively, as it is also a place with eyes from the surroundings. In some cases, you may be overly concerned or dissatisfied with a person's reputation. Please replace it with your own situation and make a decision. Dream of becoming a defendant and being tried. It is thought to be a projection of the mental conflict of thinking that one's choices are ethically contrary. In addition, the dream of becoming a plaintiff and conducting a trial means a psychological state that bears a strict moral spirit, but when becoming a defendant, it seems that it often refers to an annoying feeling of feeling guilty. If you have a dream that you feel noisy around you, including those who listen, you are afraid that your actions against your conscience may be repelled by your surroundings. Dream of being convicted. It refers to the feeling of being suffering from a strong sense of guilt. It is thought that the conscience is aching at the time of the dream of becoming a defendant and being tried, but if it is a dream of being guilty, the meaning is further emphasized. But if your guilty dream is indignant at your conviction, such as a lawyer's objection or a backlash from those who are listening, it suggests that your guilt may only be felt by you. Dream that the trial will be cancelled. Annoying emotional conflicts may be shelved for some reason. Also, if you can remember the origin of the cancellation, check the event. Maybe it can be a hint to find a solution when an even more annoying problem comes up. Dream of becoming a judge. It refers to situations that require strict ethics or fair judgment. Did you have any unusual events during the trial? If it's a rough trial, it suggests that intense friction can occur even when your strength is needed. In addition, events that require fairness that will come in the future are likely to attract the attention of those around us, for better or for worse. Let's keep calm. Dream to leave the court. It means that the scene where strict fairness is required is over. If you dream of leaving the building with satisfaction after the trial, you will be freed from the remorse of your conscience. Also, whether you are guilty or not guilty of a dream, the event that made you feel guilty will settle down. Dream of lawyer. Lawyers appear in dreams as advisors to help solve any problem. At first glance, it may seem like a powerful ally, but it is also a sign that if you change your perspective, you will have to get help from someone else. Did you find any actions or phrases that left an impression on you when you interacted with a lawyer? Perhaps the impressive words and deeds left by the lawyer may be a hint to overcome the upcoming events. Dream meaning to win a trial. The dream of winning a trial is, contrary to its refreshing situation, a reverse dream that means losing the game. There are many scenes in real life that are considered to be time of competition, such as exams for students, and conflicts with rivals for working adults. But unfortunately, this dream implies that we will be defeated in the game. The cause may be your own misjudgment or overconfidence in your power that you couldn't face the reality. This dream teaches me to look back at myself now. It is better to consider countermeasures now so that similar defeats will not be repeated in the future.